Okay, you are welcome again to this tutorial. My name is Aya Susanna. Today we're going to get started with PowerPoint. Before now, I taught you or we learned about what PowerPoint is, which is a presentation graphic package from Microsoft, right? So it is a presentation software package, and so today we're getting started with this software. All right. We treated advantages of using PowerPoint. We treated the limitations of PowerPoint. We also treated the application of PowerPoint in some fields of human endeavor. So today we'll get started with PowerPoint. All right. Get started with PowerPoint. Without further ado, let's get started. So getting started with PowerPoint. Alright, most often when you get a system, it often most times comes with MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. Most often it comes with it, but if it doesn't, you have to download it, or you have to get the file from your post office, or you download it online. Alright, it's not hard. Right, first thing first, you come here, you hit your command key. That's on Windows. On I say window, pardon me, I'm using a Windows, that's why it first I'm mentioning Windows first. Alright, command key, your iOS, and then your Windows key, that's if you're using the Windows like myself. And so PPT, so just type in, when you hit on your Windows key, you type PPT. Right, this is it, PowerPoint, to show you PowerPoint. And so you click it, and so when you click it, it opens. All right, it opens to what it opens to eventually is what we are going to treat. All right, it opens to PowerPoint, and then it divides the page even into two. This is the app, and then these are things I've used the app for, or used the app to do in the past. So when you PPT and then you see it, you just click it, and when you click it, it brings you to where it takes you to the app actually. So when you click it, this is where it should, or this is what it should show you, or it will show you. Definitely it will, not should. All right, so except if you are downloading it from beginning and then you have to do one or two, but then if it's already on your system, just PPT, and then when you hit enter, it brings you here. All right, so you can see it's telling me good evening. All right, it might be telling you good morning, good afternoon, or anytime. All right, anytime it is it in your place. All right, at the time of recording this was the evening in my place, so that's why it's telling me good evening. And then I want to draw your attention to this place. Right, home, this is a home, this is a new, this is open, this is account, this is feedback, this option. So they have their different function, and then they show you different things. All right, so our concern is what it first shows you. Right, it shows you presentation 3, PowerPoint, right, first year, sign in, all right, the likes. So in here it shows you blank presentation and shows some customized or some custom slide. All right, recent. All right, you haven't opened any presentation recently. All right, this is your recent document or things you've used PowerPoint for in the past. Will show here, this recent pinned to kind of. So this is a picture. I'm going to do it practically. I'm just trying to show you what it would look like. All right, you hit blank presentation. All right, click on blank presentation, and then it brings you here. It brings you here. When you hit blank presentation, it should bring you here. And so welcome now, welcome. I must welcome you, and I'm excited that you've gotten here so far. So file, you see so many things on the screen, you don't know where to start from. Just hold on, take a deep breath, and follow me gradually. File, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, record, review, view, help, search. Tell me what you want to do. This sound more like search, and then click to add title, click to add subtitle. All right, where do I start from? Hold up, you don't have to start from anywhere. So this is a slide, right, I created, right? This is what you can do with PowerPoint. You can create a slide. I guess this looks beautiful, right? The content, pharmacokinetics, PHM 307. This is a course, all right, probably for a student of pharmacy. And then the presenter is Professor Peter Sharma, right? Probably a pharmacist, right? Professor of pharmacy. So you see, it's appealing. This depicts drug, a kind of pharmacy is all about drug. This depicts drug, kind of, and then the color. Then you see the virtual elements. These are things you could use PowerPoint for. All right. But before that, I want to show you what it looks like. All right, practically. So earlier, what I showed you was a picture. So this is what the environment actually look like practically now. All right. This is when if I have to take this up. All right, you can now see that there's a file, there's a home, there's an insert, there's a design, transition, animation, slideshow, record, review, view, help. Tell me what to do. This is more of a search. All right, maybe font. See all the options related or relating to font here. So this is it. Then we'll explore all of this from home, inside, design. We'll explore all of them. I just want you to see what it's like. And so you observe that there is a segment here, and then this is another whatever. This place is mainly for arranging slides, and then this is a preview of slides. All right, so here you can see it here. Look at this, please. All right, this is where my slide is. This is where I edit it. This is where I add elements to it, and this is where I preview it. This is where you see the preview. Preview. So this, come down here. This is a normal preview. This is a we'll not talk about slide sorter now. This is reading view. This is a slideshow view and the likes. They are preview strategies to see. All right, so don't worry yourself. I just want you to familiarize yourself with the environment. We'll look at most of these things in detail. All right, so I'm just trying to welcome you. This is more of a welcome to PowerPoint, and show you things you could do with PowerPoint. All right, things we will do. Pardon me for use you could, because we will be doing some of these things together, right? And things you as a person can do. So look at this. This was created with PowerPoint. Isn't it beautiful? Of course it is. Look at it. It says Dr. Geoffrey Barnabas. All right, it's a picture, and trust me, it looks beautiful. All right, look at a color, look at the picture, just the aesthetics, virtually appealing, isn't it? All right, so objects, slide, and presentation. And so we say objects are the basic unit of every slide. Objects can either be text, shapes, images, videos, among others. And so I say the slide is a combination of several elements to pass an information. Don't forget why the use of a slide is simply to pass information. Alright, so it's telling us the composition of a presentation. So we have an object that come together to give us, or we have categories of objects and objects that give us a slide, and then combination of slides to give us a presentation. Alright, so we say these objects can be texts, it can be shapes, it can be images, it can be videos, among others. Right, so objects. So an understanding of objects is an understanding of presentation, since we say they are the basic units of a slide. Right, and as I said, they include shape, text, tables, videos, audios rather, don't mind me, I'm a push boy, among others, and how they are formatted to pass information. Okay, all right, I already said this from the some minutes ago, that the sole aim of a presentation is to pass information, so objects should be coordinated to do so. All right, so text, look at this, is a text, this is an object, the text is an object. So what's the content? If I had seen then things I see now, I heard then things I hear now, and did then things I do now, maybe I would have been better than I am now. Just maybe. Geoffrey Precious Agbo. This is a text. Alright, this is a text. This is an object, a part of a presentation probably. Alright, just to show you what an object or objects are actually. A text is a part of an object. Right? Look at the color, the formatting, the font size, and the likes. So this is more of this poet now per se is trying to tell us that he has grown. Of course, if he had seen then things he now see now, heard then things he hears now, and did then things he does now, he said maybe he will have been better than he is now. Just maybe. Alright, actually it's a she, this is not a he. Alright, so a text as an object. So shapes, alright, the shapes and their objects too. We'll learn about them in detail in subsequent slides, but I just want to give you an overview to what PowerPoint, the abilities that lies ahead of PowerPoint, or in PowerPoint actually. So a chart, alright, a chart, a non-narrative representation of information. Alright, this is not telling you any story, but it's passing an information. It's telling you, I think, wow, maybe I love rice, I love yam, I love beans, both in the same proportion, or slightly I love beans more than yam, or I love yam more than rice or beans. It kind of, so there's a way we could manipulate this to reduce the portion of beans and rice, to show that, oh, I love rice more than I love yam, or I love rice more than I love beans. So the non-narrative representation of information, an information rather, is a chart, and it's an object. So we have video. Of course, we can have a video in PowerPoint. We can have a video in PowerPoint actually. So it's a video, the title, this is a flute cover actually, and the title say, "Can we kiss forever?" Oh my god. So wow, oh my god, can we kiss forever? Right, so this is a video. So it's playing, right? It's playing. So that's it. So we have a table. With username, with email address, with country. So let's say these are These are my friends from different parts of the world, or subscribers from different parts of the world. We have Chixin. Sorry, I'm not a Chinese, so I might not actually be able to pronounce this name properly as Chinese do. So, email address xing123@gmail.com, and it's from China. So we have Adewale eben@gmail.com, and it's from Nigeria. We have Anan@yahoo.com, and Anan is from South Africa. We have priya@gmail.com, and Priya is from India. And then we have petersmail@gmail.com, and Peter is from UK, from the United Kingdom. So this is the table. All right, so we have audio, we have an image, right? And then that's it. So all these are objects. They are objects, and so we'll treat them, how to insert them, how to format them in subsequent slides. But for the meantime, we talked about object, slide, and presentation. All right, object as the basic unit of a slide, and different slides coming together to give us a presentation, and the presentation in turn passes an information. All right, so that's it. Please take seriously this teaching I'm about, or this teaching I give you, and subsequently the ones I would give you. All right, I intend to see you succeed. I intend to help you master PowerPoint to the core. All right, so I love you so much. Stay safe, stay out of trouble. My name is Aya Susanna. I am your friend. I'll see you in the next tutorial.